In today's video, I'll show you how to restore your system on Windows 10 step by step. This is very useful if your computer started acting strange after an update, driver install, or software change, and you want to go back to a time when everything was working properly. Let's begin with the recommended method when Windows is still starting normally. First, click on the Start menu and search for Run. Open it, type rstrui.exe, and press Enter. You can also search for Recovery in the Start menu and select Open System Restore. The System Restore window will open. Click Next to continue. You'll now see a list of restore points. These are saved moments when Windows created a backup of system settings. If you don't see many options, check Show More Restore Points. Choose a restore point from a date when your computer was working fine. Before continuing, you can click Scan for Affected Programs. This will show you which apps or drivers might be removed after the restore. Your personal files like documents, photos, and videos will not be deleted. Once you're ready, click Next, then Finish, and confirm by clicking Yes. Your computer will restart and begin restoring the system. Now, if Windows does not start at all, you can still restore the system using Advanced Startup. From the Sign-In screen, hold down the Shift key, click the power icon, and select Restart. A blue screen will appear. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and click System Restore. Select your user account and enter your password if asked. Click Next, choose a restore point, and follow the same steps as before. Windows will restart and restore your system. Remember, System Restore does not remove personal files, but it may uninstall recently added programs or drivers. And that's how you restore your system on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.